today we're going to be doing sausage rolls. For this, we got some sausage, we got some garlic, some onion, some everything bagel seasoning, some crescent rolls, an egg, cumin, cayenne, and some breadcrumbs. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with 1 pound of our ground sausage. You can use whatever you like here. Just using some Jimmy Dean original. To this we're going to add about a half teaspoon of cumin. We're going to add a teaspoon of cayenne. We're going to add a tablespoon of garlic. And a tablespoon of our onion powder. Now we want to go ahead and add in 1 cup of our breadcrumbs. Now we're just going to go ahead, combine this all together. Once you got it all mixed together, scoot this off to the side. Then we're going to take some sheets of our croissant dough. Just try to divide it in half, then kind of work these seams together a little bit. Now that we got our croissant dough split in 2 pieces, we're going to take half of our sausage mixture and start working it into the log. Same length as our dough. And go ahead, make sure the ugliest seam is at the bottom. Alright y'all, so now we have made an egg wash by just taking an egg, about a teaspoon of cold water, and whisking that together. And we're going to go ahead and paint that on our rolls here. Alright, so now you could also do this step with sesame seeds. I've done that in the past, works pretty good. But I have some of this everything bagel. Now we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to throw this in there for about 30 minutes until this is done. The top should be golden brown and that sausage should be cooked up to an eternal temperature of 160. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, just a little under 30 minutes, mine are done. We're going to go ahead and let these cool for 5 to 10, and then I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 5-10 minutes, go ahead, we can cut them up and serve them. Just boom, just like that. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.